Get paid $200 a day with the CPA Marketing Free Traffic Method. Make money online. Ready to boost your bank account? Stick around and I'll spill the beans on a fresh approach to cash in on CPA marketing. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. So I stumbled upon this goldmine at CPAGrip.com, the hub of CPA Grip. These guys are the real deal, offering content lockers, URL and file lockers, video lockers, you name it. The process is a breeze and they've got a stellar support team that ensures your hard-earned dollars hit your bank account pronto. Let's dive in. What sets CPA Grip apart? Beyond the cutting-edge features, they boast a stellar support staff, a dedicated payments team, and a swift payout system that ensures your hard-earned money hits your bank account without delay. Intrigued? Let's embark on a journey to unlock the potential of CPA marketing, starting with your registration on CPA Grip. The process is straightforward. Input your basic details: first name, last name, address, and phone number. Crucially, you'll need a Skype ID for a seamless registration process, so ensure you have one ready. Navigate to the Publisher Type section and select Others. Enter your email, create and confirm your password, select your time zone, and meticulously peruse the terms and conditions, ticking those essential boxes. Ready? Click on the enticing Register Now button, and congratulations! You're now welcomed into the realm of CPA Grip. Your personalized dashboard awaits your exploration. Now that you're officially on board, let's dive into the money-making machinery. Navigate to Monetization Tools and opt for URL or file lockers. This is where the real magic happens. Create a new URL locker. Breeze through the terms and conditions. Don't worry, it's painless. Tick the necessary box, and with a click on Continue, you're on your way. Now, on to crafting your URL locker to capitalize on its money-making potential. But before we delve into the intricacies, take a detour to 2btv.com. 2bTV's online sanctuary for free movies and TV shows. It's a legal treasure trove with thousands of options, powered by none other than Fox Corporation. Register on 2bTV, choose your cinematic gem, and keep it in your virtual back pocket. Returning to CPA Grip, take a moment to preview your locker. This is what your audience will see. Give it a moniker, perhaps something catchy like the Sand Movie Locker. For the button text, keep it enticing. Watch now, as there's no need to download. The magic happens online at 2btv.com. In the locked URL box, paste the link from 2btv.com where the Sand movie takes center stage. Tweak the anchor text to "After completion, you can watch full movie." Take a sneak peek on the right side to ensure everything aligns seamlessly. Don't forget to manage offers via the Show Offer Manager, with rewards ranging from 30 cents to a whopping $4 per completion. Imagine their earning potential with just 100 people daily. Feeling confident about your money-making apparatus? Click on Save and gracefully glide into Step 4. Engage in a Google search for the Sand movie. Filter the results by images and secure an attention-grabbing, copyright-free image. Now, let's head to Google Sites, a free and user-friendly platform for crafting websites. Start with a clean slate by bidding farewell to the header. Infuse a touch of intrigue with a title like "Watch Free Online Movie The Sand" and inject visual appeal by uploading the chosen image. It's all about presentation. Enlarge the image for clarity. Next up, navigate to the Embed option on the right-hand side. Keep this feature open as you return to CPA Grip. Recall the locker you affectionately named the Sand Movie? Retrieve its link from the green button and copy the URL by pressing the Copy Link button. Return to Google Sites and seamlessly embed your locker by pasting the URL into the designated box. Revel in the satisfaction of a successfully embedded locker. With a virtual canvas set, take a moment to make any necessary adjustments to your site, ensuring a seamless integration of the locker without disrupting the visual flow. Once satisfied, it's time to share your creation with the world. Click on the Publish button, adding a unique name for your website, something memorable like Watch the Sand Movie. Click Publish once more, and your Google site is officially live. Curious to witness your creation in action? Copy the link from the Copy Published site link icon and open a new tab. As visitors click on your Google site link, they'll be seamlessly directed to a page where a simple offer stands between them and the full The Sand Movie experience in Tubi TV. And for you, each offer completion translates to dollars in your account. Now, with your Google website primed for action, it's time to amplify your reach. Step into the vast landscape of Instagram, where a staggering 6.7 billion people visit every month, with 19% hailing from the United States alone. That's over 1.2 billion potential eyes on your content each month. Log into Instagram and explore tags related to your movie. Whether it's The Sand Movie, The Sand, or The Sand Movie scenes, you'll unearth a treasure trove of reels and images related to the cinematic masterpiece. Here comes the final crescendo. Craft a brand new Instagram page dedicated to movies and TV shows. Immerse yourself in the world of captivating visuals. But remember to give due credit to the original creators as you create content for your page. Enhance your posts with engaging captions and unleash them onto the Instagram Reels, where viral trends can turn your page into a sensation. With strategic posting and a keen eye for trending content, envision a scenario where 1,000 viewers translate to 100 visitors on your Google website. As they complete offers, your daily earnings could soar to a remarkable $200, a testament to the untapped potential in this innovative traffic method. Flexibility is key at CPA Grip, with multiple payment methods on the table, including the seamless options of PayPal, ACH, and wire transfer. It's your gateway to hassle-free transactions. But CPA Grip doesn't stop there. Arm yourself with a suite of tools and resources tailored for your affiliates. From nifty tracking tools to user-friendly landing page builders, it's more than a network. It's your toolkit for success. Now let's talk numbers. Your earning potential on CPA Grip isn't set on stone. It's a dynamic landscape influenced by your traffic sources, conversion rates, and savvy campaign optimization. Navigate this terrain with finesse and watch your earnings soar. Now, you're armed with a killer strategy to make those dollars roll in. Take action, follow the steps, and let the cash flow. Don't overthink it. Simplicity is key. Hit that like button, subscribe for more money-making gems, and let's turn those dreams into dollars. Time to level up your profitability game. And there you have it, folks, a blueprint for making bank with CPA marketing and free traffic. I've shown you the ropes. Now it's your turn to navigate the cash waves. Stay tuned for more profit-packed content. Until next time, keep hustling!